Today we're visiting the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens to see their autumn display called Into the Woods. Hey, it's Deborah from Traveling Well for Less, where you learn how to travel more, spend less. Welcome back to the channel and another video. If you're new here, and even if you're not, make sure you click that red subscribe button below. While you're down there, go ahead and hit that like button. In this video, we're in Las Vegas touring the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens on the Strip. So come on, let's take a look. Are you looking for one of the best free things to do in Vegas? The Bellagio Las Vegas Conservatory and Botanical Gardens should be your first stop. This free, family-friendly activity is perfect for all ages and is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The 14,000 square foot conservatory offers 5 seasonal displays during the year. The Bellagio Las Vegas was built around the concept of the Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. It is the most important feature of the hotel and what the designers want people to remember when they think of Bellagio Las Vegas. The floral theme is used in all aspects of the conservatory, including the pattern in the 50-foot glass ceiling. The fall or autumn display, Into the Woods, shown in this video, uses pumpkins, chrysanthemums, and fall colors to decorate the conservatory from late September through Thanksgiving weekend. After Thanksgiving, the Bellagio Conservatory features a winter and Christmas theme, including a Christmas tree and poinsettias. From January to March, the conservatory is decorated in a Chinese New Year theme, featuring orchids and other flowers and the current Chinese zodiac animal. The spring display begins in mid-March to May and features tropical flowers, cherry blossoms, and a butterfly house. Starting Memorial Day weekend through late September, the Bellagio Conservatory is outfitted in a summer patriotic display of red, white, and blue, including American flags and hydrangeas. Bellagio's Conservatory and Botanical Gardens Fall-Autumn Into the Woods display allows guests to enjoy a journey through a magical forest with fairies and a talking tree. Designer Ed Libby's vision was to give you a feeling of transformation and empowerment. The dragonfly, a symbol of transformation, features prominently throughout Into the Woods to reinforce that idea. The dragonfly on the mast of the 20-foot magical Bellagio sailboat guides a family of foxes through the forest. The foxes started their voyage at the 38-foot treehouse with Tiffany-inspired stained glass dragonfly windows. Tell me in the comments if you think that mama fox looks like she's going to jump in the water and grab a koi fish for dinner. Each mushroom is made from 2,000 flowers. Due to current health and safety measures, you have to follow the floor markers on the guided path through the Bellagio Conservatory. The resort is only allowing a certain number of visitors at a time, so you may have a short wait in line to get in. Here's a little peek inside Sadelle's Cafe. Pro tip: there's a separate line if you're going to eat at the restaurant. Be sure to tell the security guard to avoid the wait in line. Representing strong women from the four corners of the earth, the four fairies: empowerment, thoughtful reflection, creative visionary, and protector, relax near the reflecting pond. Each fairy's ball gown style dress is unique. The fairy house includes dragonfly stained glass windows. Cardinals, symbolizing good fortune, visit each fairy. Could you figure out who each fairy was? Let me know in the comments. Dragonflies fly above the hollow tree trunk in the middle of the conservatory, representing a portal taking you into the woods. At the end of the display is a 28-foot talking tree. The tree gives the bear family a safe spot to eat their honey before they hibernate for the winter. The bees who provided the honey represent a sense of duty, wealth, and prosperity. And there you have it. That was a visit to the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens Fall, Autumn, Into the Woods display. Be sure to watch my video on the Winter Christmas display. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more travel and Vegas videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.